I've got a signal to go short. I will do that. This is the US dollar, Canadian dollar. Entry has happened. Stop loss is placed. Take profit is also placed. All right, now when this take profit gets hit, price is going to have to drop below by about 2 pips or so. So the market has to get underneath this level. As this trade progresses, I'm going to manage it. I want to reduce the risk on this. So I'm going to put the video on pause, and when I get an opportunity to do that, I will come back. See you in just a moment. We're doing okay with this one. This is the US dollar, Canadian dollar. Now I'm going to manage my trade a little bit. It's not going to be a lot because I want to make sure I leave room for the spread in here. So I've reduced the risk on this trade. Now it looks closer to a 2-to-1 reward to risk on this. As this trade progresses, I'm going to continue to manage the trade in this manner. So I'm going to put the video back on pause, and I shall return in just a moment. This trade pulled back a little bit, but it's resumed its market direction. I'm going to just take a quick look and see where about 2 pips is. All right, so this is where I'm going to put my stop loss. So I'm reducing the risk quite a bit on this trade. Now, in order for this trade to exit, for this short to win, I need to move about 2 pips below this level here. So it'll be just above this red line. So we need the market to get, it'll seem like a long ways below, but that's because of the smaller time frame. There's a 5-minute time frame. On a 1 hour, 4 hour, you wouldn't hardly even notice that space. But because it is a smaller time frame, it's going to appear to move below a little bit further. So 2 pips below, and we'll be out of this trade. We've reduced the risk substantially. So no matter what happens, if we win, awesome. If we lose, the loss is going to be quite small. All right, I'll put the video back on pause, and I will come back in just a moment. Well, we got the move we were looking for. The market pushed itself down and took us out of this trade. This was an equilibrium short. Let's take a look and see some numbers here. We'll put the arrows on the chart and take a quick look at the profit that we made on this one. Not a huge trade, $668.41. Now it's a good day. It's a good day. I never made this much printing t-shirts. $668.41. And this happened in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 45 minutes. Nice. That's a good profit in 45 minutes worth of not that hard work. Now we got into this trade here. This was an equilibrium short trade, and the market moved our favor, and then it did pull back a little bit. Now that's normal. That's going to happen from time to time. We'd like to see that the market just takes one candle, goes through a take profit, but that very rarely happens. It does happen, but it's rare. This is more realistic. The market pulled back and then continued on its way, and finally it did take us out at our take profit. The risk was reduced. So we have a very small stop and a much bigger take profit. Well played. Didn't go really far. It's a smaller time frame, so we weren't looking for really big pips on this one. But we still ended up with $668.41. Thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you in another live trade video.